Good day and welcome to this grow along video where we're going to be sowing coriander, corn salad and parsley. It's January, it's pretty cold, and at the moment there aren't a whole range of things that we can sow, but we will get away with sowing these three things in January. They don't need heat. A little bit of heat will get them going quicker, but we're just going to have them in the polytunnel under cover. The varieties that we're growing are just bog standard coriander, giant of Italy parsley, which I adore, and corn salad Medaillon, which I've not sown before, so it will be interesting to see how we like this variety. Let me show you what we're going to be using. The seeds that we're sowing today, we're also going to be successional sowing, and that basically means we're going to be sowing them, in the case of these seeds, each month, certainly for the first 6 months of the year, if we wish to. And that will give us harvests from hopefully the end of April to the beginning of October, or even later in the case of the parsley. We're going to be using multi-purpose compost. We're not using any special seed sowing compost. I'm going to be sowing all 3 seeds into this tray, this single tray. And what I'm going to be using is these 2 markers, or these 2 name tabs, as markers, sectioning off a third of this tray, and also a third as coriander, a third as parsley, and a third as corn salad. When it comes to transplanting, I will likely not be pricking them out, which you'll see us do with others, but I will actually be chunking them up and then planting them out. So I might end up with 6 chunks of this third, 6 chunks of this third, and 6 chunks of this third. And what that will give us, hopefully, is a few plants in each of those chunks. Now I'm simply going to fill up the seed tray with some compost. When you're going through your compost, do check if there's any large chunks, because even though you don't need it too fine, you don't want large chunks in there either. I'm now going to use another seed tray just to tamp down that compost, firming it down a little bit. Right, now sowing. This is coriander seed, which if you cook with these as a spice, you'll be well aware of. This is parsley seed, which you may not be so well aware of, because obviously we don't cook with parsley seed. This is corn salad seed, which is really quite fine. The first seed I'm sowing is corn salad. I'm just sprinkling it over like that, trying to get evenly. As I say, when we transplant these, we're going to be cutting this section into 6 and transplanting a block, so we'll have 6 blocks here. Next I'm sowing coriander. Finally, I'm sowing parsley. Put a little bit extra there. Just going to press each of these in with my fingers to make sure that the seed we're sowing here is really in contact with the compost. Now I'm going to put a thin layer on top, maybe half a centimetre, and about 1.5 centimetres of compost on top of the corn salad. So half a centimetre on the parsley and the coriander, and 1.5 on the corn salad. So I'm just pressing them a bit down, a bit more. And then I'm putting double at the back onto the corn salad. Pressing them down in their sections, just making sure that the section marker is going to be visible. Then the next thing to do is to put a name tag on each of these. I now have 3 name tags. I had an old coriander one. When you're sowing a single variety of something, it's fine to just put like corn salad or coriander. But we're going to be sowing 2 types of parsley over the coming growing season. So here I've put Parsley G of I, which is Giant of Italy. All I'm going to do, slip those down the back sections. So I know that in front of this is corn salad, in front of this is coriander, and in front of this is parsley. I'm giving them a spray because I use a spray. And then that is those sown. What I am going to do is just put them next to some polyanthus that we have already sown earlier in the month. So these are polyanthus that we sowed earlier in the month. And these are the corn salad, coriander and parsley we've just sown now. If you did want to sow these in modules, then you do exactly the same thing, but filling up your modules. So by cutting these into 6, each of these third sections into 6, effectively we're creating our own modules. But if you want to sow them into modules, please do. So that is the first sowing of the calendar year and the first sowing of what I class as our growing year, which is from October to September, of corn salad, coriander and parsley. It's quite cool at the moment, and as you've seen, these are actually under a propagator lid, but it's not a heated propagator and the vents are fully open. The only heat is effectively the ambient heat of this polytunnel in winter. The reason I've put a lid on here is we occasionally get mice in the polytunnel who like to grub up seeds that we've sown to see if they're actually peas, which we'll be sowing quite shortly. So yeah, there's no ambient heat. The additional sowings, the successional sowings that we're going to be doing Because things will warm up, or we expect things to warm up as we get into summer, those may germinate quicker. It may take 2 weeks or 3 weeks for germination to happen. So do be aware of that when you're planning your successional sowings. How am I going to look after these? They're just going to sit there for the next few weeks and they're going to grow on. So actually I'll most probably be looking at what we're going to do with these when I'm sowing the others at the back end of February. I will check that they are moist and not wet. You don't want seeds to be wet. You want the compost to be nice and moist. It's better to just be on the side of dryness than just going over into wet. I expect that we're going to start harvesting these around the end of April, beginning of May, something like that. So there we are. I think, if I haven't said already, I think the successional sowing at the end of February we might do in the module cells that I showed you a few minutes ago. If you've got any questions, please do drop them in the comments below, and please do check out for all our grow along videos. See you very soon. Bye.